Alright, welcome to a brand new episode of Side Dish. So we're going to be making another alcoholic slushie, because as you all know, it's one of my favorites. I love this. So this is actually a recipe that I found on Facebook. So one of my friends actually posted it, I shared it, looked at it, was like, that looks good, I need to try that for myself. So we're going to be making a Crown Royal green apple slushie. If you checked out the original recipe, I've done some modifications to it for me, because I think there's some things that you can slightly improve, as in all recipes. But, just add my little twist to it. So what we're going to do first is I'm actually going to add my lemonade. So in their recipe, they use simply lemonade, which is not a bad choice at all. But I'm going to be using Slushies lemonade, just because I went to the store by my job, and it's the lemonade that they had. So I'm like, oh, okay, this will work. So Slushies lemonade. Gonna throw in our Crown Royal, our Regal apple Crown Royal, which if you've never smelled it, smells really fucking good. Like, it just smells really good. Also, I had no idea Crown Royal was made in Canada. The more you know. Which is about right there for the Crown Royal. And we're gonna finish it off. So in their recipe, excuse my arm for a second, they use green apple Gatorade. Which I'm like, that's cool. But I think I got something a little bit better. So we're gonna use green apple Kool-Aid. Because why the hell not? I just thought it would give it a better color, personally. Like, isn't that a nice green? Like, isn't that a very, very... This would be a hell of a St. Patrick's Day drink. Actually, yeah. I make sure the Kool-Aid wasn't in the shot. And it's not. Yeah, it already smells really good. There we go. Yeah, you might want to keep this recipe, in the back pocket for St. Patrick's Day. So what we're going to do, like I'm going to do with all my bourbon slushies. Not my bourbon slushies, but with all my alcoholic slushies. I'm going to wrap it up with plastic, put it in the freezer for 24 hours, and then we'll finish it the next day. So, stay tuned, wait 24 hours, and I'll be right back.
24 hours later.
Alright, so here's our slushie after it has been freezing overnight. You can actually pull your slushie a little bit earlier. If it gets to the point that you like, I actually could have pulled it a little bit earlier. But, I figured, I wait the full 24 hours and come back and finish it up. So I just scooped my slushie out of my pitcher with just an ice cream scoop or a pretty heavy spoon. Because it is frozen, so you don't want your spoon in the bin. You want to make sure you have a pretty hefty spoon. And so, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with just a little bit more green apple Kool-Aid. There we go. So it kind of looks like a shaved ice. If you grew up with shaved ice. Oh no, there might be some spillage, but we're just going to do. I'm going to take my spoon and mix it in a little bit. Probably need a little more Kool-Aid. So you can actually pull it earlier if you would like. Like, if it freezes to the point that you like, you're more than welcome to freeze it a little bit earlier. Or pull it a little bit earlier. A little bit more Kool-Aid. It's getting a little messy, but that's okay. Just want to loosen it up some, so it's not too... Here we go. You don't want it to be too wet, but you don't want it to be too frozen. It's hard to drink. That looks good. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more. Just a little bit more Kool-Aid. Also gets the color. Oh yeah, that should be good. There we go. So, there we go. That was right. But you can always adjust it for yourself and your personal taste. But here is our finished Crown Royal Green Apple Slushie. Perfect for any summer day or St. Patrick's Day since that's coming up. But thank you for checking out this brand new episode of Side Dish. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm trying to crank out more videos right here on the YouTube channel, so definitely stay on the lookout for those. Hit the notification bell, and also hit me up on social media what you would like to see next. There's a drink you'd like me to make, things like that. Because we're starting to, it's still winter in Chicago, sort of, but eventually it's gonna warm up, and we gotta get into the summer of slush. So thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. All the support so far on the YouTube channel, for the website, the podcast, wherever you see me, whatever source of media you like or that you see me on, I greatly appreciate the support. Thumbs up, comments, shares, whatever you do. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love what I do, and knowing that you all like what I do makes it just that much special. So, once again, this is Taryn Williams. I'll see you in the next video, or in the next podcast, or the next Twitch stream, whatever I do next. And always remember, slicing, dicing, gaming, it's not just a motto, it's a lifestyle. Later.